How to rack 9-ball. Phoenix, as. Racking 9-ball in billiards is an essential skill to have, whether you're a beginner or an experienced player. The objective of racking the 9-ball is to arrange the balls in a specific order so that the game can begin. This article will provide a step-by-step guide on how to rack 9-ball correctly. Step 1. Gather the equipment. The first step in racking 9-ball is to gather all the necessary equipment. You will need a standard set of billiard balls, a billiard rack, and a billiard table. Ensure that the billiard balls are in good condition and free from cracks or chips. Step 2. Position the billiard rack. Place the billiard rack in the center of the table, perpendicular to the head rail. The head rail is the end of the billiard table that is closest to the players. Step 3. Arrange the balls. Take the 9-ball and place it in the center of the billiard rack, with the 9-ball touching the head rail. The 9-ball should be the only ball touching the head rail, and it should be placed in the center of the rack. Step 4. Add the remaining balls next. Place the remaining billiard balls in the billiard rack in numerical order, starting with the 1 ball and ending with the 8 ball. Place the balls in the rack as tightly as possible, without overlapping each other. Step 5. Adjust the balls. Once all the balls have been placed in the billiard rack, adjust them as needed to ensure that they are evenly spaced and in the correct order. This step is important to ensure that the 9-ball is in the center of the rack and that the other balls are evenly spaced around it. Step 6. Remove the billiard rack. Once the balls are properly arranged, remove the billiard rack by lifting it straight up, without disturbing the position of the balls. Step 7. Check the arrangement. Check the arrangement of the balls to ensure that the 9-ball is in the center and that the other balls are evenly spaced and in numerical order. If the arrangement is not correct, adjust the balls as needed. Step 8. Begin the game. Once the balls are properly arranged, the game of 9-ball can begin. The first player takes their shot with the objective of sinking the 9-ball. The player who sinks the 9-ball wins the game. In conclusion, racking 9-ball in billiards is a simple process that requires attention to detail and patience. By following these steps, you can ensure that the game of 9-ball begins correctly and that everyone has an equal opportunity to win. With practice and experience, you will become proficient in racking 9-ball and be able to do it quickly and accurately.